Good morning, students of class 10. You are welcome back to the e-classes now. Let's continue our lesson in history, nationalism movement in Indochina. We are doing this in the nationalist movement in Indochina. Here is the title of the chapter. Now here we have reached 2.0, the subtitle, the dilemma of colonial education. In our previous class also we have talked about some portion of this. Dilemma means confusion of colonial education. How far the Vietnamese be educated or provide education? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. Number 1, education was seen as one way to civilize the native, because in our previous class we have talked that why they colonize various parts of the world. Europeans colonized various parts of the world for profit, for natural resources and for profits. But apart from that, they thought that it is their mission to civilize the people, as they thought Europeans were superior, and it is their mission to civilize the native people of the colonies. So we have learned that. Now, but education was seen as one way to civilize the native people. French thought in this way. The French had to resolve a dilemma. They had to solve a puzzle. What was the puzzle? How far were the Vietnamese to be educated? How far the Vietnamese would be given the education? So that was the dilemma. Number 3, the French needed an educated local labor force. French needed educated people as their labor. But number 4, but they feared. One side they needed the educated labor force. The other side they thought and they feared that education might create problems later on, as once Vietnamese were educated, once they get the education, the Vietnamese may begin to question or raise a finger against colonial domination, so that the problem might create later on. After getting education, they might point fingers and ask questions about colonial dominations. So that was another puzzle, a problem. Moreover, not only that, moreover, French citizens living in Vietnam, many French citizens who came there and lived there, living in Vietnam, began fearing these French citizens living in Vietnam who came there along with the troops. They began fearing that they might lose their jobs. They might lose their jobs as teachers, shopkeepers, policemen, doctors, and so on to the educated Vietnamese. Once the Vietnamese get education, they needed jobs. And once they took up the jobs, the French citizens will lose their jobs. Their share of job will be given to the Vietnamese. So what they did, the French citizens in Vietnam oppose the policies of the French government that would give the Vietnamese full access to French education. So the French citizens living in Vietnam, they were against the the French government, that these Vietnamese should not be given full education or access to French education. Once they get the education, we will lose our jobs. And it might create problems later on also. They might raise the finger against the colonial dominations. So that was the dilemma of colonial education. Now in our next class, to be continued, talking modern, we will be going to 2.1, talking modern. So these people, they are primitive, they are very backward, French thought, and they needed to be taught how to speak and talking modern. So French government, the French, they try to modernize Vietnamese so that it will be easy for them to govern, as well as they will have an educated labor force, local labor force. So in our next class we will do 2.1 talking model. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching so attentively and paying so much attention. You have listened carefully. Go through the online portal every day so that you will not miss anything. So we'll be going slowly forward. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video.